Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did exercise 16.2 till question number 7. Today we are going to do some more questions of this exercise. The topic of this exercise is applications of integration in kinematics. So before I start question number 8, first I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder name is AddMath. Watch previous lectures of this exercise. After watching previous lectures, you will have good command on this topic. Let's start question number 8. A particle moving in a straight line passes a fixed point O with velocity 18 meters per second. Its acceleration a meters per second squares t seconds after passing through O is given by v is a is equals to 3t minus 12. Part A. Find the values of t when the particle is instantaneously at rest. Instantaneously at rest means velocity must be equals to 0. So first we have to find the velocity with the help of integration by integrate acceleration with respect to time. Integrate 3t minus 12 dt. So t integration is t square upon 2 minus 12 t plus c. This is v. This is v. Now according to question, a particle moving in a straight line passes a fixed point O. It means at fixed point O means at t is equals to 0. At t is equals to 0, v is 18. At t is equals to 0, v is 18. So put this value of v in equation number 1. 18 is equals to 3t square upon 2t is 0, so it is 0, minus 12 into 0, it is 0, plus c, so c is equals to 18. Therefore the velocity is 3t square upon 2 minus 12t plus 18. This is the value of t, but this is not our final answer because our requirement is to find the values of t when the particle is instantaneously at rest. So we must instantaneously at rest means we must replace v by 0. So 0 is equals to 3 upon 2 is 1.5, or you may say another way to do this, 3 upon 2t square minus 12t plus 18. If we take the common 3 from the whole equation, we will have 1 upon 2 t square minus 3 4 12t plus 3 6 t is common. 3 is common. Three must be divided by 0, so it is 0. Taking the whole LCM 2, so t square minus 2 4 is 8t plus 2 6 is 12. 2 must multiply by 0, it is 0. T square minus 8t plus 12 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You students are very familiar to solve the quadratic equation. So I am not showing the steps. You can apply any method, whether the middle term break method or the completing square or the quadratic formula. You will get the values of t are t is equals to 6 and t is equals to 2. This is the requirement of the question. The requirement is find the values of t when the particle is instantaneously at rest. So this is part A. What is part B? You can see on your screen, top of the screen. Part B. Find the distance the particle travels in the 4th second. So first we have to write the value of v, which is equals to 3t square upon 2 minus 12t plus 18. So how to find the distance? We should integrate the velocity, but the main point is to find the distance the particle travels in the 4th second. Means there are two ways. First is to integrate these values of t, then find s4 minus s3, or you can integrate v and apply the limit from 3 to 4, because 4 second means a particle from going from 3 seconds to 4 seconds, or you can say some way between 3 and 4. So integrate 3 to 4 dt is integrate 3 to 4 3 upon 2 t square minus 12t plus 18 dt. So integrate v means s is equals to 3 upon 2 t square integration is t cube upon 3 minus 12 t integration is t square upon 2 and limit is 3 to 4 plus 18 dt integration is t, limit is 3 to 4. So this will give you the final answer. So 3 upon, or you can say this 3 cancel by this 3, it is 1 upon 2 and apply the limit t cube from 3 to 4. So first we have to put 4 cube. 4 cube is 64 minus 3 cube is 27. Very easy. 2 6 are 12 t square. So 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9. Upper limit minus lower limit plus 18. 4 minus 3. More simplification. 1 upon 2, 64 minus 27. It is 37. Minus 6. 16 minus 9 is 7. Plus 18. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 37 upon 2. It is 18.5. 6 sevens are 42 plus 18 is equals to simplified. The answer is minus 5.5. But you know distance is a positive quantity. Therefore, the answer is 5.5 meters. This is the answer of part B. Question number 8. Move to part C. Find the total distance traveled in the first 10 seconds. Traveled in the first 10 seconds. The total distance. We have values of t which we have find in part A, the critical values of time. That is 2 seconds and 6 seconds. And we have to find the distance in total distance in first 10 seconds. So we have S, the value of S we have already find, which is the values of S are, yes, we have V, kindly wait, I want to write the value of V. Value of V we have find 3t square upon 2, 3 t square upon 2 minus 12t minus 12t plus 18. Now we have to find the total distance. Obviously we have to integrate. So total distance means we have to find the distance from t 0 to 2, then 2 to 6, then 6 to 10. So we have to find the total distance by integrate the velocity from 0 to 2, then 2 to 6, then 6 to 10. Because the requirement is to find the total distance in first 10 seconds. So in first 10 seconds there are two critical values of time which we have already find in part A. So let's start. Integrate 0 to 2 3t square upon 2 minus 12t plus 18 dt plus integrate 2 to 6 3t square upon 2 minus 12t plus 18 dt plus integrate 6 to 10 3t square upon 2 minus 12t plus 18 dt. So this will give you the total distance. Integrate is not difficult for you because you did lot of practice. So first integrate this 3 upon 2 t square. T square is t cube upon 3. Integrate 0 to 2 minus 12. T integration is t square upon 2 from 0 to 2. No. Plus 18 integrate dt is t from 0 to 2. So it is comfortable if you integrate first, find the whole answer of 0 to 2, then find the whole answer of 2 to 6, then find the whole answer of 6 to 10. So 3 cancel by 3, 1 upon 2 t cube. 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 0 because 0 cube is 0 minus 2 6 are 12, 2 square is 4 minus 0 plus 18, 2 minus 0, 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24, 18 2s are 36. The final answer is The final answer is 16. Note this. Now we have to integrate this whole one from 2 to 6. From 2 to 6. So I am taking the answer of this one. 3 upon 2, or we can take more directly because 3 already cancelled by 3. So 1 upon 2 t cube from 2 to 6 minus 2 6 are 12, already done. So 6 into t square 2 to 6 plus 18 t 2 to 6. So this is the second part. We are going to integrate from 2 to 6. So 1 upon 2 6 cube 216 minus 2 cube 8 minus 6 square is 36, 2 square is 4 plus 18, 6 minus 2. So 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 2 216 minus 8 is 208 minus 6, 36 minus 4 is 32 plus 18, 6 minus 2 is 4. So 208 divided by 2 is 104 minus 6 into 32. 6 multiplied by 32 is 192. Plus 18 fours are 72. The answer is minus 16. And you know minus 16 means plus 16. Okay. Now it's a time to integrate from 6 to 10. So 3 upon 2 t cube, this time from 6 to 10, minus 6, sorry, not 3 upon 2, we have to write 1 upon 2, minus 6 t square from 6 to 10 plus 18 t from 6 to 10. One upon 2, 10 cube is 1000, minus 6 cube is 216, plus 6 t square. 10 square is 100, minus 6 square is 36, plus 18, 10 minus 6. 1000 minus 216, it is 784. 100 minus 36 is 64. There is a very small mistake which I did, this one. This is minus, okay. Okay, plus 18, 10 minus 6 is 4. 784 upon 2, it is 392, minus 64 into 6, 384. 18 fours are 72. And the final value is 80. Hence, total distance is equals to, the first one was 16, the second one was 16, the third one was 80. This one 16, 16 and 80. 112 meters. This is the total distance from 0 to 10, or you may say first 10 seconds. So very important question, question number 8, and very easy. And this question can come in your exam. Now move to question number 9. But little bit lengthy this question. Question number 9. A particle starts from rest and moves in a straight line so that t seconds after leaving a fixed point O, its velocity v meters per second is given by v is equals to 3 plus 6 cos 2t. Part A. Find the range of values for the acceleration. So we have to find the values of range for acceleration. So we have to find the acceleration by differentiating the velocity with respect to time, which will gives us acceleration. Derivative of 3 is 0. Derivative of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t is 2. So acceleration is 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 sin 2t. Now we have to find the range of this acceleration. The range of the maximum value of sine is 1 and the minimum value of sine is minus 1. So if we minus 12 into sine 2t, the minimum value is minus 1. So the answer is minus minus plus 12. And minus 12, the maximum value of sine is plus 1, which is equals to minus 12. Hence, acceleration is from minus 12 to plus 12. These are the range of values of acceleration. So very easy question. Move to part B. But for part A, you must keep in your mind what is the range of the maximum value of sine or the maximum value of cos. Both have plus 1 and minus 1. Maximum value and minimum value. Now part B is find the distance traveled by the particle before it first comes to instantaneously rest. It means we have v, which is equals to 3 plus 6 cos 2t. Instantaneously at rest means the velocity is 0. So it is equals to 3 plus 6 cos 2t minus 3 is equals to 6 cos 2t minus 3 upon 6 is cos 2t so minus 1 upon 2 is equals to cos 2t and 2t is equals to cos inverse minus 1 upon 2. So if you use your calculator, cos inverse minus 1 upon 2 is 2 pi by 3. So 2 cancel by 2, the value of t is pi by 3. The value of t is pi by 3. In order to find the values of angle in the form of pi, your calculator must be in radian mode. Now what is the requirement of the question? Find the distance traveled by the particle before it first comes to instantaneously at rest. So it is very easy. V is equals to the value of V is equals to 3 plus 6 cos 2t. So we have to integrate V with respect to t, and the limit from 0 to pi by 3, because this is the angle, this is the value of t where the particle comes to rest. So 3 integrate 0 to pi by 3, 3 plus 6 cos 2t dt. V dt means S. 3 integration is 3t, limit from 0 to pi by 3, plus 6 cos 2t integration is sin 2t upon 2, limit 0 to pi by 3. So S is equals to 3. Apply the limit pi by 3 minus 0, plus 2 3s are 6, sin 2t, t is pi by 3 minus sin 2t, t is 0, upper limit minus lower limit. So 3 cancel by 3. Answer is pi plus 3 sin 2 pi by 3. Sorry, no, please do not cancel. This is 2. Sin 2 pi by 3 is root 3 upon 2. Minus sin 0 is 0. So pi plus 3 root 3 upon 2. But the requirement of the question is to give the answer in 3 significant figures. So the final answer is 5.74 meters. This is the requirement of the question. You can see, find the distance traveled by the particle before it first comes to instantaneously at rest. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So you can check, this is our answer correct to 3 significant figures. So student, this is our today's class, where we did question number 8 and question number 9. And after these 2 questions, only 2 questions are left, question number 10 and 11, which will we do in next lecture. And after this exercise, your chapter will be finished, and we will be starting chapter number 5. So kindly do practice of this chapter, very important according to examination point of view. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button, so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos to all of your friends. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.